What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on additional settings. Now in additional settings go back and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps and then tap on this three dot more option. Now tap on other settings and then tap on reset app preferences. Now from the pop-up tap on reset apps to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset the app preferences for all of the apps including disabled apps or default apps. So tap on this option and after that the media keeps stopping error will be fixed. So after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on about phone, tap on software version and then from here update your phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the media keeps stopping error will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.